Unlocking English, mastering each, every, either, and neither. Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on English language learning. In today's video, we're going to focus on a very important aspect of English grammar, distributive determiners. Specifically, we'll dive into the usage of each, every, either, and neither. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's understand each and every. They both refer to all members of a group, but with a subtle difference. Each emphasizes individual members, whereas every tends to see them as a group. Here's an example. Each student in the class received a certificate. Emphasizes individual students. Every student in the class received a certificate. Sees all students as a group. Moving on to either and neither. These determiners refer to two members of a group. Either is used when you're talking about a choice between two items, and neither is used to indicate that both options do not apply. For instance, you can have either apple or banana. Choice between two items. Neither John nor Maria is available. Both options do not apply. Now that we've understood the basics, it's time for some practice. Here are some fill-in-the-blank exercises for you. 1. Blank. Person must ensure they wear a mask. Use each or every. 2. I can't decide. Blank. Ice cream flavor looks delicious. Use each or every. 3. You can choose blank, the red or the blue shirt. Use either or neither. 4. Blank. Of these options seems interesting to me. Use either or neither. Feel free to pause the video here and try these exercises. And that wraps up our session on each, every, either, and neither. These determiners are crucial to communicate effectively in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep working on these and soon, they'll become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.